Hi, I'm Dr. Rasya Dixit. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Bangalore from the last 15 years. If you are familiar with the Korean skincare regimen, you will be familiar with the term glass skin as well. This is the term which the Korean skin beauty brands have labeled, which is for intensely clear skin which has got no pores and it has a very nice shine, almost like the surface of a glass. So the routine is using about 10 steps of beauty care, which includes a very gentle cleanser, then remove it with an exfoliator, apply a serum, then apply an intense hydrating moisturizer, then apply the sunscreen, exfoliate weekly. So all these steps together are going to contribute to something called a glass skin. But let us look at the reality of the situation. These trends, especially in a tropical country like India, when you apply so many layers of moisturizers, so many layers of hydrators, it can tend to give you a lot of irritation and acne breakouts, especially if your skin is more prone to acne breakouts. So instead of blindly following trends like glass skin, go and meet a dermatologist who could advise you on how to take care of your skin better. What is the ideal moisturizer which is good for your skin type, and then layer it with a vitamin C serum and a sunscreen. By doing this on a regular basis, your skin is going to appear its best like a glass skin. We are also recommending for some patients who have more irregular skin surface, some microdermabrasion or polishing treatments which can even out the surface of the skin a little bit to give you the smooth contour of the skin which reflects light better, giving you the appearance similar to a glass skin. So instead of blindly following trends, find out what is the thing that is actually going to suit your skin type based on the place where you live, and then follow those trends to help your skin look its best.